If you're like me and kind of burn out on your standard berries, frozen berries, oatmeal, fresh berries, whatever it is, so we're going to cover a new flavor profile for you. It is for me, so let's see how this works out. I'm using steel cut oats. All right, the steel cut retains the most nutrients. This is the healthiest way to eat oatmeal, and I feel like having that more of that husk incorporated actually gives better flavor to the oatmeal. Some people say it doesn't. I say it do. All right, on top of that, we've got 6 cups of water going in. Just gonna give everything a quick stir. Pop this lid on. All right, now we're going to set our timer. We're going to pressure cook for 4 minutes, and then we're going to do a full natural depressurization. And start. All right, we'll bring you back when this depressurizes, and I'll show you how we're going to flavor these. All right, now that our pressure cooker is fully depressurized, we're going to take the lid off here. All right. So I was looking for a premix of spices at the store for a pumpkin spice blend. Did not find it, but I found this pumpkin spice extract. So we're going to give this a little try today and throw 2 teaspoons in there, like so. And next, we have pumpkin spice puree right out of the can. We're going to add this whole can in here. Get everything incorporated in here, and we are looking like we're there. All right, like I said, this is a big batch for meal prepping. If you decide to do this, just keep in mind that this is going to get pretty stiff in the refrigerator, so when you go to reheat it, just add a little bit of fluid to it before you microwave it or stovetop it. A little bit of water or plant-based milk of your choosing, but got a clean spoon here, and you know we got to taste it. It's still hot. I'm actually still going to top it with cinnamon when I eat it for breakfast. All right. If you're liking our videos, be sure to give us a like and subscribe and share. Be sure to share us. And we'll see you next time.